Hello, welcome to the Studio Mic Setup tutorial. We're going to be exploring three common mics that you will use in the studio: the JRS-34, AT5040, and the 4003s and 4006s. I've pointed out where they are in the mic closet here, and this is what they look like. Before putting the mic on the stand, you want to ensure the stand is secure so the mic remains attached and steady as you attach it. You can do this by tightening the several joints along the stand. You don't have to worry about height or position just yet, so simply adjust it to a height that allows you to most comfortably and safely attach the mic to the stand. First, starting with the JRS-34s in its stand, you want to slightly loosen the four clamps on all sides of the shock mount and slide the mic into the shock mount with the cloud symbol facing outwards. You want to position the mic so the clamps tighten around the cloud symbol. After giving each clamp a final tighten, make sure you give a small tug to ensure that the mic is secure and will not easily fall out. Moving on to the AT5040, as you can see, there's a locking mechanism for this shock mount. First, move this lever to the unlocked position, and then simply press the mic into the mount with the Audio-Technica logo facing outwards until you hear it click in. Finally, flip the lever to the locked position to keep the mic secure. For the 4003s and 4006s, this is one of their stands that can be used for stereo recording. First, loosen the clamps, then slide the mics into the clamp with about an inch hanging off the back. Then tighten your clamps, ensuring that the mics are secure. With this stand, you can adjust the back clamp to increase or decrease the distance between the mics. This is handy when utilizing the 3-to-1 rule. To plug your mic in, first locate the female end of the cable and plug it into your mic. Then place the coil by the base of the stand and run the male end to the direct box and plug it into the corresponding number. Finally, tidy up the coil a bit and ensure the cable line is not messy or in the way of anything. In some cases, you may even hide the cable underneath the carpet. The last step will be to plug in the DAD. First, locate the thick braided power cable found behind the DAD, and you want to plug this into the second port on the back side of the DAD. If you do this correctly, you'll see that the DAD turns on. You have now successfully set up the mics. Here's a few more things to keep in mind. At this point, you can position the mics where they need to be for the recording and take a picture of the setup for reference in case you need to revisit this configuration at a later date. When cleaning up, work in reverse order of when you set up. So first unplug the DAD and then unplug the mics. This is very important. If you need help coiling the cables, you can reference the tutorial as well. And for safety reasons, please handle one mic at a time. That's all for this tutorial, and good luck recording.